I'm so excited. Varoma Therapy is in stock finally. So Varoma Therapy is my book for Varoma, my steaming recipes, a little collection of steaming recipes. It's really, really pretty, the book, and it's been ages coming. So thanks to everybody who was patient, but it's here at long last. So go and get it, go get your copy. You automatically get a free ebook with it. It comes straight away, so then it'll get mailed out. So just to look at the contents, we've got salads, we've got breads, so you steam the bread, it gives a really great crust, and then you cook it in the oven. We've got surf and turf, and we've got sweets, and of course we've got our pantry section as well. So go and have a look. I think there's 76 pages in here, so it's really, really good value. It's $30, which includes the ebook. If you just want the ebook on its own, it's $20, and all beautiful pictures. Lots and lots of images to keep you motivated, and beautiful recipes. So get in there, get into my store, and oh look, while you're there, go get a spatula, which just came into stock, and also my new bread mat. My favourite things. I don't know if you can see that. My favourite things, bread mat. Fantastic, really, really good deal. And if you're an insider, go check the inside because there's a really good special for you too. Thanks, bye.